design, this sort of architecture lends itself to that. It lends itself to different teams being able to build each of these independently and taking their own technology choices and design decisions along with it as they go. So in this case, and as I say, this was this is probably 2 years ago now. So our stack in our case was embedded Jetty, but I was on a project after that where we used Simple Web instead. And at the moment, I'm on a .NET project doing a similar thing with NancyFX. So that's a pretty sweet embedded server for the .NET platform. No more iOS. Woo. Any developers? No, this is a Java conference after all. Sort of. Yeah, but, NancyFX, incidentally, Nancy Sinatra. Oh, yeah, bad joke. That's not mine, but it's... so we were using Pico Container, a very lightweight container to do dependency injection. We were using Hibernate for object relational mapping. We had, because inside we had a Mongo database and a MySQL database, so we were using Hibernate to talk to MySQL. But we wrote our own SQL. We're not crazy. We were using Abdera for our Atom functionality. That was the key thing there, using Abdera. And smoothie charts for, I have to pimp smoothie charts. It's a really nice kind of real-time graphing tool for you can show things like performance counters and this kind of stuff in real time. It's quite cute. And finally, we heard about Drop Wizard. Well, we were using the precursor to the Drop Wizard libraries, contains this library, Metrics, from a guy called Kota Heliyama. So Metrics is really nice. Metrics allows you to it's just a library you plug in, and you can just do things like counters and histograms and then report on them. So pretty sweet, pretty easy to do. And finally, Graphite for reporting. So this is my next tip, final tip. Make it easy to do the right thing and hard to do the wrong thing. Use tooling and tests to make complex tasks